Well, I wanted to show you about this map here. This is called the Air Map of the World. This was used by the Army Air Force during World War II, and it has on it the routes that people would take, flyers would take, and the mileage between the points. And I noticed two special things about two routes here. And one is goes from San Francisco all the way to Tokyo, which is right here. And there's two stops along the way. So you have Alaska, the tip of Alaska, and you have the Kamchatka Peninsula between those 2 points. And there's mileage numbers between those legs of the journey. And it totally makes sense. This is what the Air Force is telling you how to get from San Francisco to Tokyo. They're saying take this route, which hits Alaska and the Kamchatka.
Which is why when they have the emergency landings, they land in Alaska.
Exactly, because they were coming from, was it the Philippines, something like that. So yeah, Asia up here. So when you look at the globe, it makes absolutely no sense because it looks like they're making a tour around the Ring of Fire. Well, this is the Ring of Fire. There's no ring, by the way.
Yep.
It's going from San Francisco direct route, boom, to Tokyo. And it makes absolutely no sense on the globe. But here, the government, the Air Force is telling you this is how you get from one to the other.
There we go.
The direct route. Let me show you this other one. This is from New York, and when you leave the United States, the farthest point here on this part is Newfoundland here. And then this direct route to Moscow, you hit this point right here, which is Iceland. And if you Google it and you say, I want to go from New York to Moscow, it shows you this huge arc. And you have to say, now wait a minute, why is there this huge arc? Why don't they just go directly from one to another?
Yeah, the plane's not making a curved flight. That wouldn't make any sense. Planes fly in straight lines. So
they have to hit Iceland on the way.
Interesting.
Back then, they had to refuel. Planes couldn't. So that's the government telling them, the Air Force telling them, this is how you go from New York area to Moscow, is you have to go to Iceland. And on the globe, it's just this big old arc, which makes you ask, why do they have to do that?
Yeah.
That's why.
Yep. And plane flights are level. Gyroscopes wouldn't work on a globe. The FAA trains pilots on the Target Generation Facility. And the Target Generation Facility is a simulator for Earth, and it's a flat Earth simulator, and it's also doesn't account for gravity or the spin of the Earth. So if you want to argue that the Earth's a spinning globe, go talk to the government, because they think it's flat. So
that's right.